Hey guys, this is Trav Max Fun and welcome back to my channel, and today is day 6 of my Walt Disney World 2022 vacation, and today is Animal Kingdom Day. So today I'm going to Animal Kingdom, gonna ride a couple rides, yeah. Currently on the balcony at Beach Club. Very beautiful morning today. Alrighty, y'all, we made it to Animal Kingdom. There's the tree of life, guys. Alright, guys, we have a 50th anniversary treat here, the 50th anniversary cinnamon roll over at Animal Kingdom. Alright, guys, we are now in the Pandora. Alright, guys, we are now walking into Dinoland, USA. It's Kevin, guys.
No, you're not.
There's the vine, guys. Alright, guys, we are now going to the yacht club to eat dinner at Ellen Compass. Alright, so I'm on the balcony at my room at Beach Club, and I can actually watch the harmonious fireworks from here. I can hear the music too, so this is very cool. How cool is that? You can see the lighting too. This is nice. I can just chill on the balcony here and watch the fireworks without having to go to the park. So guys, that's going to wrap up my Animal Kingdom vlog, day 6, I believe, of my Walt Disney World 2022 vacation. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. Animal Kingdom, pretty fun park. Got to ride a couple rides, Kilimanjaro safaris, dinosaur, and of course, Flight of Passage over in Pandora. Got to try one of the 50th treats, the Mickey-shaped cinnamon roll with the blue icing, the special 50th one. I showed you guys the cinnamon roll earlier in the video. That was pretty decent. So spent half the day at Animal Kingdom, then got back to the hotel, and then we ate dinner at Yacht Club, and I'll show you guys some pictures of the inside of Yacht Club right here. Very nice resort, and then from the balcony of our room at Beach Club, we got to see the fireworks from Epcot Harmonious. Yeah, and I also got a Mickey Premium Bar, Mickey Premium Ice Cream Bar with the 50th packaging. I'll show you guys a picture right here. Also at Animal Kingdom, I got to see 2 walk-around characters, Kevin and the Vine. That was really cool seeing walk-around characters in Animal Kingdom. And yeah, so that's pretty much all I have to say. And yeah, so stay tuned for my next Walt Disney World 2022 vlog, which is actually going to be my final one. And then that'll conclude the Walt Disney World 2022 vacation vlog series. So yeah, so that's it for this video here. I hope you enjoyed it. I'll see you guys next time on Trav Max Fun. Please like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.